Hello, Nicholas here from Chefs with Benefits. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a quick and easy mezze, aubergine rolls with feta and walnuts in tomato sauce. For this recipe we're gonna need aubergines, feta cheese, walnuts, fresh mint, tinned tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, dried herbs, sugar, salt, pepper, garlic and grated cheese. I'm using cheddar. The list of the ingredients will be down to the description. We begin by preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Make some stripes on the aubergines with a peeler and slice them in lengthwise. Place them in a tray with salt, pepper, herbs and olive oil. Put them in the oven for about 15 minutes or until they are almost cooked. In the meantime, prepare the filling and the tomato sauce. In a bowl, add the crumbled feta, chopped walnuts, fine chopped mint, mix everything together. In that stage, take a break and make yourself some tea. In a blender, add the tinned tomatoes, dried herbs, salt, pepper, sugar, garlic and the olive oil. Blend everything together well. When the aubergines are cooked, take them out and let them cool down a bit or until you can handle them. Add half of the sauce in a tray or an oven-proof pan. Take some of the feta mix and press it in your palm. Place it on the aubergine slice and roll it. Place the rolls over the tomato sauce and use the rest to cover them. Place them in your oven for about 10 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. After the 10 minutes have passed, add the grated cheese on top of the rolls and continue cooking it until the cheese has melted and it has a nice color. Take it out, leave it to sit a little bit and then plate it as you want. I hope that you like this recipe. Give a like to the video so more people will see it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and until next time, this was Chefs with Benefits.